Welcome! In this lesson, we will explain the factors that affect a company's P over Q rating for UAV drones and identify what does not affect it. We'll keep it slow and intuitive, just like a step-by-step tutorial. First, let's picture a UAV drone, because the P over Q rating is about the performance and quality of the drone itself. When customers judge a drone, they look at how well it flies, how reliable it is, and how good the overall design feels. That is the heart of a P over Q rating. Now, what is P over Q? It stands for performance and quality. Think of it as a customer score for how good the drone is. It combines how well the drone performs and how solid the quality feels. Higher P over Q means customers think the drone is better. Let's list the main factors that DO affect the P over Q rating. These are things that directly change the customer's experience: design, flight performance, durability, reliability, features, and service. Each one makes the drone feel better or worse in the customer's hands. Notice that every factor here is about the product itself and the customer's experience. This is the key idea. P over Q is not about costs inside the company, and it is not about how much money the company spends behind the scenes. It is about how good the drone feels to the buyer. Now, let's talk about what does not affect the P over Q rating. These are internal business things, not customer experience. For example, labor cost, production cost, or factory efficiency. Those change profitability, but they do not change the customer's quality score. So if the question asks, the factors that affect a company's P over Q rating for UAV drones do not include which of the following? The correct choice is anything like labor cost or production cost. Those are internal costs, not customer-facing performance or quality. Let's wrap up with a short recap. The P over Q rating is based on the customer experience, performance, quality, features, and reliability. What does not affect it? Internal cost factors like labor or production cost. If the customer can't feel it or see it, it is not part of the P over Q rating.